Everyone hates this song. And rightfully so. So today, I'm going to turn this into the masterpiece it could have been, I hope. Let's start by isolating the vocals. And then time stretch this so that it was on beat, and turn the tempo up to 144 beats per minute, because I think the song's a little bit too slow at the moment. Now let's lay some chords down in the key of F minor, which is used in the track. Yeah, these chords sound nice. Then we can arpeggiate these. This definitely gives a highest in the room type of vibe. Yeah, this is fire. We took a bass line and copied the root notes of the chords. I decided to export the synth and chop this up a little bit, just to make it sound kind of glitchy and a bit different. Yeah, this sounds good for the start of the track. Let's build this out a little bit. Let's add some hard hitting drums in now. We're keeping it really simple for now. We've got this super cool chant effect which we kind of chopped up so it sounds again a little bit glitchy. Yeah, this sounds fire already. I've added this thermal preset for the drums, and then I've exported it and we've got this sound. And I've also added this RC20 retro color, which makes the drums sound less computerized. Yeah, I think this sounds dope. So unique. I've got this really interesting lead pattern that I want to talk about. I've taken 3 different presets from Omnisphere and Serum, and I've layered these notes on top of each other and added this thermal preset, which makes the lead sound distorted and glitchy again. Now, I've also got this loop that I took from Splice, but before you judge me for using loops, I've added a ton of effects to this and chopped it up to completely change the vibe. Here's how it originally sounded. But after I added some thermal and some Serum effects, and also chopped it up, we got this sound. This is so unique. For the bass line, I wanted to add something really simple, so I took a Spins 808. This just copies the root notes of the chords again. And the last sound we're going to use is these saw chords. We're literally just going to play these on the drop. Here's how this will sound all together. Make sure to let me know in the comments what you think of this transformation. It's definitely very different to the original.